Problem 9-100. In previous courses, you worked with decimals that repeated and terminated. All of these are called rational numbers because they can be written as a ratio like 2/3 and 5/1 equals 5. Because the square root of 9 equals 3, the square root of 9 is also a rational number. However, here are some numbers that do not repeat or terminate when they are written as decimals, such as the square root of 2. Such numbers are called irrational numbers. An irrational number cannot be written as a ratio of any two integers. In other words, an irrational number cannot be written as a fraction. Use your calculator to find the square root of the following numbers. Decide whether the decimals are rational, having decimals that terminate or repeat, or irrational. All right, so if you put part A, if we put this into our calculator, so the square root of 625, we should get 2.5. Now, you'll notice that this is a decimal. It doesn't go on. It's 2.5, so it ends or it terminates. So a terminating decimal just means one that it ends. So we would say that this is a rational number then. B, the square root of 100. A lot of you probably don't even need to put this into the calculator, but definitely do it to check your brain anyway. It's going to be 10. Well, 10 is an integer. It doesn't have any decimal at all, so it is a rational number. And finally, the square root of 7. When you put that into your calculator, you are going to get a number that looks like this: 2.6455751 and so on. That might be where your calculator screen maxes out. Now, we can tell by looking at this number, all of these numbers that come after the decimal, there's no real pattern, there's nothing repeating. So in this case, this would be an example of an irrational number. All right, and that is all for problem 9-100.